Hello and welcome back to the Mavens. Whenever we listen to the word gaming, the first thing comes to our mind is a gaming laptop. And when it comes ROG, they are specially known for their best gaming laptops. And in this video we are going to discuss about the all-new gaming beast ROG Strix 15. Before we get into the video, subscribe the channel to be notified on every update. So let's begin. Strix 15 comes in matte black color. Once you turn it on, it has got some neon lights, making look gorgeous. You can also customize the lights. Even the laptop is made of plastic, but it doesn't feels. The corners are smooth and over it looks awesome. The laptop weighs nearly 2.3 kilograms. You can see 3 USB Type A 3.2 ports and an audio jack on left. There is a LAN port, an HDMI port, USB-C port, display port, power input port at back, and there is a keystone at its right. There is a 15-inch LCD display with FHD resolution. The display also has 300 Hz refresh rate for fast gaming experience. On the top bezel, as you can see, it doesn't contains any webcam. If you need a webcam, you can buy ROG. The speakers are quite loud with good bass. I loved them, but it can be more better. And the laptop has a great glowing keyboard which has soft keys on it. The keyboard also has some specialized features which make your typing accurate and comfortable. Introducing the all-new Keystone 2. This keystone unlocks access to personalized settings. It also helps to protect your personal data. And it also provides you a great gaming experience. If we talk about the performance, then a combination of Intel Core i9, 8GB of NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 Supermax graphics card, 32GB RAM and 2TB of SSD storage makes it unstoppable. That means you can have amazing gaming experience on it. If you're a gamer, then this thing is just made for you. And it's a best option for the gamers. Hope you liked the video. And subscribe our channel. Comment us your thoughts. And don't forget, wear a mask always and maintain social distancing. And see you in the next video.